Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you are new, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. Now, firstly, yes, I know I have been away for a while. We had a little bit of a family issue, and unfortunately, the dog that we adopted, we unfortunately had to have him put down. So it's been a very, very sad couple of weeks for us, really. So I just thought I would get back to making videos again. The last video that I uploaded the other day was basically the last video that he had appeared in. So you know, it's very sad, but you know, he's here in our hearts anyway. So to get on with today's video, it is going to be a little sneaky peek of my kits for Monday the 4th of February. I'm on the mid show with Hannah and the mid show team, so I'm really looking forward to that. So let's dive straight on in and have a look at these kits. So the first kit that I have got, we have got a fabulous strand of irregular drops of, here we go, if I show you that, we've got irregular drops of peridot. So it's quite a long strand, as you can see. So we've got quite a long strand of peridot with our tassels there. So that is one of the pieces that we have got. We've also got this lovely chain, and it's quite nice. It's actually quite a substantial chain, and we've got a meter of this particular chain. So if I just show you that up close, are you going to focus? There you go. So we've got this lovely chain. So a nice bronze style chain there. So we've got that. Then we have also got some of these fantastic Preonite cabochons. So we've got one that looks a little something like so. Gonna focus. There we go. So we've got that one there. Nice rectangular shape. Then we've got this lovely cabochon shape. Come on, wait for it to focus. Where are you? There you go. You gonna focus? You gonna focus? Are you gonna focus? Are you going to focus? Where are you? There. Yay! Hurrah! And there, Lord. And then we've got this one just here, as you can see. So we've got 3 Preonite cabochons, and then we have got the 0.4 antique bronze coloured copper wire, and we have got, and that's 10 meters of that, and we have got 10 meters of the 1mm gauge bronze coloured, antique bronze coloured copper wire. So that is a little sneaky peek for that particular kit. The second kit that we have got the wire again. So we have got another 1mm gauge in the gold coloured copper wire, and this is 10 meters. So we've got some of that. So there's your colour. And then we have also got, we've also got 0.4 again in the gold coloured copper wire just there. So we've got our wires. We've got some fantastic, now I think this is black obsidian, or it could be black onyx, I can't remember. I know I should have looked at the specs before I came on, but I didn't. You know me, I like to be just as surprised as you. So here we go, we've got these fantastic black, they're either black onyx, obsidian, or I think they are obsidian. So we've got these, they've got a really nice gloss to them, and you've got quite a nice length of beads with those. Then we've got these that are carnelian. We've got some lovely, or either that or they're red. They're red agate. Can't remember. I didn't read the spec. So here we go. But these are fantastic. And the name of the kit is Phoenix something. So that gives you a clue as to kind of what I'm going to do. And then we've also got these fantastic 3 double drilled kind of cabochons of amber. So we've got those 2 just there. The quality is fantastic. And then we've got a 3rd just there. As you can see, I keep looking down there because I've got another screen there to show me what I'm showing you. So that is a sneaky peek of my 2 kits for Monday the 4th of February. I hope you can join me, Hannah and the team, for a fantastic afternoon show. It should be amazing. Now it's icy out there, so everyone please be careful, look after yourself, stay warm, pack an extra hot drink and blanket etc. in your car if you have to go out, just in case, you never know. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, then please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. You look after yourselves, look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating!
It's a thumbs up.